Shout out to all Ghanaians. Hey, if you come from Ghana, comment down in the comment box below with the Ghana emoji, flag, or just Ghana hashtag Team Ghana, Team GH. Okay guys, so I am not a makeup pro, so please don't come at me in the comment box and be like, that is not how you do makeup, that is not how you do makeup. I am not a makeup pro. I'm just doing this because it's fun and I wanted to try it out. So please don't come at me, okay? Alright, we'll see ya.
They don't understand what I'm going through. The world trying to play with my soul. I'm just trying to find where to go. I'm trying to remember the way. I'm trying to get back to my home.
So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Sperry and I'm back with another video. So today I am doing the TWI makeup challenge. It's a trend going on YouTube right now. It was started by Jenny Love. I'm gonna put her link in the description box. You can go check her out. She started this link and big ups to you, Jenny Love. So this is a trend to kind of reach out to the Ghana community. It's like Ghana is taking over YouTube and I like the vibes. So hey, so I want to apologize to those of my subscribers or those of y'all who don't understand my local language. So this challenge is basically you trying to do your makeup and speaking TWI, but if you speak TWI, you know we don't have names for some stuff in TWI. Like we don't have a name for makeup in TWI. We don't have a name for foundation in TWI. So it's gonna be hard. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Keep on watching. Thanks. Bye. Oh, did I say bye? My bad. I mean, see you in the next video. Me mama ha Ghana for, and there me baba yeah makeup. Minji di say makeup cheating ba. You we dina. Fashion comment box ni. Fashion baby a chocho miama. Enfitiasia me baba yeah me de I do my friend or foundation from clinic into yen shasie enfitiasie me ka se mini makeup ye nti se me yena se ohwe na menini enye ye ya enye se ma sena na se because mini me ye mini de ti still broke dem pass over catchia bro for embem because cry bro for Tigana for yemfa ye kasemu enye yema ye kasamu nye din yensie ye kaseyi me ti TWI pound like eno na me ma make me bon komo me ye bibia wo TWI mu ba say ye makeup dia ebe din se nipa beka ebe din se beka TWI atwa sonko am enti invitase me de me foundation ato me amini makeup enti me yusuki tweli me pese me meaning to say samai bi me try some makeup before the first time I'm doing my video back home. Me a video me no my say samai bi me share video na me say sa enti eni me de baba bo me mama kakra ena mafno Timi di ye menim nina. Mwe twempi da se minya fever. Ena eja ebeda me hono minti. Me shema wai. Ene te se manwa yetuntumba. Chane da enche beko. Sisi amede I don't know my friend foundation. Abomini mase me befa me brush. Me adia di TWI enim. Afa so se ne be ya ebe mani ni na aye pepepe. Enkofo bebe na omoye omeni echi na nsa. Omaye omenim dia no ba mini meni echi ne yenti. Me pese me kwakotra meni echi at the end say efu a emfu te se ne wesi efu no. Misro. Ti me de I don't know my friend no, your friend the foundation no. Ne jam de ye menim. Wan hwe pe no nkwa na me use wa ase. Ti se na menim aye. Me pe de we aye no. Wan hwe ade ye be koyi o. Menim ade we mu ye ntia ya. Mo fre BB concealer me use LA colors concealer me de ba be ye menia concealer I think se ni chidin be ye ade ayede enkataso ti me de your friend is saying enkataso ne ba be ye menia ase aye me mo ma ne me hune na ma bodwe ti anso me ye bi go ase chichine so omu ya omu ube ode your friend den ode die eye fita kakra esen they were winning dria color tie minim color brof minim color treating ti me de eno eye menia me mama ana ma purchase when I kata ni pedua no eya e friend den ye ni asi etum kakra ti when kata we ni asi tuntum no issue color brown minim treating for brown uni ma fa share comment box ni baby e church na man if issue powder we ada bomini me ya me nya ni bebe kit we ama bosso Obi friend. Hello? Si me ba be ye meni echi. E ka che mu fita sense minim eni echi enti dem be iso na e brush da family meni ton ani meni echi na me de afeno afane so e shaping we ha e we ma brush akosu say yam de afeno afa eni maybe many echi hey ibe isu NK lip shine we am it to free a friend then me beauties me ahofe store my beauty supply store me nim ni treating with the fat as soon as you say I didn't man why you going through sir. Make it back. Basic TWI me person man baby brace kitty extra me baby you suit me mascara. Me need mascara, the only my fashion comment box ni. Me Menington. Mascara we Emma Winnington air tinting. Yawa the Emma Winnington air tinting. I'm a friend of lengthening mascara. And I'm a waffle for so I am an adorso. See me the no ever back twice. And I know Adriano as so sing ye be kind. See me say I'm a you and us I baby me Winnington I baby. Ye tree. Emma Winnington a comb near pea. My friend curling mascara. Then we Adriano or sha you say a corn. Then I'm with the bed. Eyeshadow. Any so. The Christ. As yes, I made the any so ever ministro. Eyeshadow. Ministro. Let's now make the trim of first. And on I'm baby you pink. Pink, you need the cheating. You need to say what the cheating. Baby is pink colorway. Me dear, me brush cheating. Me baby fat. So any baby pa. Monko so en like your friend is saying video I ade your friend then inside mu ebua amwa say di kind otam pe di kind mumia so yentua en sound credit en enya dia otua ni hia se wemia sa like na your friend is saying and they be one my koko and de adifita at room say subscribe mun say me no so na ne bo enya de otua ka free ni say Ghana for your party free ti enya say fa onsa kokromoti fa onsa kokromoti emia mia ensa kokromoti na da ho so na your friend then subscribe it ni enko so MPP Ghana phone queen na Ghana na sinde ye koyini yes so ya town Ghana for chrome hey Ghana for chrome ye wo chrome yemboa yen Ghana for mumemboa yen ho na Ghana MPP Ghana for sun queen ti me da masese motima hwe video ya baby and the major mo see ha Mama bye. It made me video. Bye. I apologize once again for not being able to understand this video, but I hope you still enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out. Bye. Shout out to all my Ghanaian squad. Shout out to all Ghanaians. I love you all. I am proud to be a Ghanaian. I love Ghana. If you come from Ghana, just comment down in the comment box. Team GH. Let's not be stingy. You don't have to pay for anything. It's totally free. So go ahead and comment down in the comments box, Team GH, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. I love you all, and shout out to all my subscribers and viewers. If you're still a viewer and you haven't subscribed, why not? Alright, I'm doing too much. Bye. You're going to Ghana for Madam Mazise with me abahase send the oba version video, and there me colorless your friend then lip shine as a lip gloss.